Did the dog bite anyone in the street? क्या गली में कुत्ते ने किसी को काटा? Did the dog bite anyone in the street? Did anyone come to check the meter? क्या मीटर चेक करने कोई आया था? Did anyone come to check the meter? Did he come at my wedding? क्या वो मेरी शादी पर आया था? Did he come at my wedding? Did he invite to you on his marriage? क्या उसने तुम्हें अपनी शादी पर बुलाया था? Did he invite to you on his marriage? Did you give a treat on your birthday? क्या तुमने अपने जन्मदिन पर दावत दी थी? Did you give a treat on your birthday? Did you prepare for the interview? क्या तुमने इंटरव्यू की तैयारी की थी? Did you prepare for the interview? Did you make it? क्या तुमने ये बनाया? Did you make it? Did you enjoy learning from this video? क्या आपको इस वीडियो से सीखने में मजा आया? Did you enjoy learning from this video? Did you know this sentences already? क्या आपको ये वाक्य पहले से पता थे? Did you know this sentences already? Did you like this video? क्या आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई? Did you like this video? Did you appear for the exam this time? क्या तुमने इस बार पेपर दिया? Did you appear for the exam this time? Did you buy that motorcycle? क्या तुमने वो मोटरसाइकिल ले ली? Did you buy that motorcycle? Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion? क्या बच्चा शेर देखकर डरा नहीं? Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion? Did you listen to that song? क्या तुमने वो गाना सुना? Did you listen to that song? Didn't I tell you? क्या मैंने तुम्हें बताया नहीं? Didn't I tell you? Did he propose to you? क्या उसने तुमको प्रपोज किया? Did he propose to you? Was he not there when we were discussing? क्या वो वहाँ नहीं था जब हम बात कर रहे थे? Was he not there when we were discussing? While you driving the car when I called you? क्या तुम गाड़ी चला रहे थे जब मैंने तुमको कॉल किया? While you driving the car when I called you? Did you get any call from Amit? क्या तुम्हें अमित का कोई कॉल आया? Did you get any call from Amit? Were you leave on yesterday? क्या तुम कल छुट्टी पर थे? Were you leave on yesterday? When the delivery boy came nobody was at home. जब डिलीवरी बॉय आया तब घर कोई नहीं था. When the delivery boy came nobody was at home. Kangana was laid off from the job. कंगना को नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया. Kangana was laid off from the job. I was present there when the accident took place. मैं वहाँ मौजूद था जब वहाँ एक्सीडेंट हुआ. I was present there when the accident took place. Their house got robbed. उनके घर चोरी हो गई. Their house got robbed. Did you find any cricket player? क्या तुम्हें कोई क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी मिला? Did you find any cricket player? Did you shift to a new flat? क्या तुमने नए फ्लैट में शिफ्ट किया? Did you shift to a new flat? Did he actually take my name? क्या वाकई उसने मेरा नाम लिया? Did he actually take my name? Did you forget to carry your documents? क्या तुम डॉक्यूमेंट ले जाना भूल गए थे? Did you forget to carry your documents? Didn't you hear what he said? तुमने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा? Didn't you hear what he said? Did she find any boy? क्या उसे कोई लड़का मिला? Did she find any boy? I wasn't there when this happened. मैं वहाँ नहीं था जब ये हुआ. I wasn't there when this happened. Priya didn't say that she won't come. प्रिया ने ये नहीं बोला था कि वो नहीं आएगी. Priya didn't say that she won't come. I didn't get hurt. मुझे चोट नहीं लगी. I didn't get hurt. He didn't tell me anything. मुझे उसने कुछ नहीं बताया. He didn't tell me anything. I wasn't feeling like talking to him. मेरा मन नहीं था उससे बात करने का. I wasn't feeling like talking to him. I wasn't hungry then. मुझे तब भूख नहीं लगी थी. I wasn't hungry then. You haven't eaten anything for a long time. तुमने काफी समय से कुछ नहीं खाया हुआ. You haven't eaten anything for a long time. The arrangement was not good at the function. Function पर व्यवस्था अच्छी नहीं थी. The arrangement was not good at the function. The room was not clean. Room साफ नहीं था. The room was not clean. My mother was not at home. मेरी माँ घर पर नहीं थी. My mother was not at home. That company's manager never called back. उस कंपनी के मैनेजर ने वापस कॉल नहीं किया. That company's manager never called back. I didn't like that song. मुझे वो गाना पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like that song. We didn't go anywhere on our marriage anniversary. हम शादी के सालगिरह पर कहीं नहीं गए. We didn't go anywhere on our marriage anniversary. Previous year question paper was not so tough. पिछले साल के प्रश्न पत्र इतने मुश्किल नहीं थे. Previous year question paper was not so tough. That restaurant food was not so tasty. उस रेस्टोरेंट का खाना इतना अच्छा नहीं था. That restaurant food was not so tasty. His car didn't break down on the highway. उसकी गाड़ी हाईवे पर खराब नहीं हुई थी. His car didn't break down on the highway. Rahul didn't get promoted even this year. राहुल का इस बार भी प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ. Rahul didn't get promoted even this year. That exam wasn't conducted last year. पिछले साल वो परीक्षा नहीं हुई थी. That exam wasn't conducted last year. Nobody missed me at the party. पार्टी में किसी को मेरी याद नहीं आई. Nobody missed me at the party. Not only me but everybody else also had the same opinion on that topic. सिर्फ मेरा नहीं बल्कि बाकी सबका इस विषय पर यही ख्याल था. Not only me but everybody else also had the same opinion on that topic. My father was not angry with me. मेरे पापा मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं थे. My father was not angry with me. Sonu was asked to resign from his job. सोनू को जॉब से रिजाइन करने को बोला गया. Sonu was asked to resign from his job. This year we got good hike in our salary. इस साल हमें सैलरी में बढ़िया उछाल मिला. This year we got good hike in our salary. Our efforts paid off. सफलता रंग लाई. Our efforts paid off. My neighbor fell off the stairs. मेरा पड़ोसी सीढ़ियों से गिर गया. My neighbor fell off the stairs. हार्दिक got promoted. हार्दिक को प्रमोशन मिल गई. हार्दिक got promoted. I got 85 marks out of 100. मेरे 100 में 85 नंबर आए. I got 85 marks out of 100. The thief ran away with jewelry and 20,000 cash. चोर जेवर और 20,000 कैश लेकर भाग गए. The thief ran away with jewelry and 20,000 cash. He wasn't worried about the result at all. उसे रिजल्ट की कोई चिंता नहीं थी. He wasn't worried about the result at all. You bitched me. तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया. You bitched me. His wallet got stolen. उसका पर्स चोरी हो गया. His wallet got stolen. I got admission in one of the colleges of Delhi. मेरा एडमिशन दिल्ली के एक कॉलेज में हो गया. I got admission in one of the colleges of Delhi. My phone battery died. मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज खत्म हो गया. My phone battery died. I lost 2 lakh in my business. मैंने बिजनेस में 2 लाख डुबा दिए. I lost 2 lakh in my business. We met last year. हम पिछले साल मिले थे. We met last year. I left my spectacles at home. मेरा चश्मा घर रह गया. I left my spectacles at home. I was in meeting when you called. मैं मीटिंग में था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया. I was in meeting when you called. I distributed food amongst the poor on my birthday. मेरे जन्मदिन पर मैंने गरीबों में खाना बांटा. I distributed food amongst the poor on my birthday. He was compelled to sell his house. उसको मजबूरन अपना घर बेचना पड़ा. He was compelled to sell his house. Amit was appointed as CEO of the company. अमित को कंपनी का CEO बनाया गया. Amit was appointed as CEO of the company. We went to the party yesterday. हम कल पार्टी में गए. We went to the party yesterday. He mashed with the wrong guy. उसने गलत इंसान से पंगा लिया. He mashed with the wrong guy. We saw a movie yesterday. हमने कल पिक्चर देखी. We saw a movie yesterday. My father scolded me. मुझे पापा ने डांटा. My father scolded me. Akash's salary was not increased. आकाश की सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी थी. Akash's salary was not increased. Isha didn't take the right decision. ईशा ने सही निर्णय नहीं लिया. Isha didn't take the right decision. He lied to me about his age. उसने मुझे अपनी उम्र के बारे में झूठ बोला. He lied to me about his age. He shifted to the England last week. वो पिछले महीने इंग्लैंड शिफ्ट हो गया. He shifted to the England last week. The car broke down in middle of the road. गाड़ी बीच सड़क में खराब हो गई. The car broke down in middle of the road. The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it. मशीन खराब थी जब हमने इसे बेची. The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it. Anu completed her work in time. अनु ने समय रहते काम खत्म कर लिया. Anu completed her work in time. The manager spoiled all the fun of the festival by calling office on a holiday. मैनेजर ने छुट्टी वाले दिन ऑफिस बुलाकर त्योहार का सारा मजा खराब कर दिया. The manager spoiled all the fun of the festival by calling office on a holiday. She left at 9 a.m. वो 9 बजे चली गई. She left at 9 a.m. Neha slipped while walking. नेहा चलते चलते फिसल गई. Neha slipped while walking. He left back job. उसने वो जॉब छोड़ दिया. He left back job. He bought a new phone. उसने नया फ़ोन खरीदा. He bought a new phone. You woke me up. तुमने मुझे जगा दिया. You woke me up. He sent me a message. उसने मुझे मैसेज भेजा. He sent me a message. You scared me. तुमने मुझे डरा दिया. You scared me. I saw you yesterday. मैंने कल तुम्हें देखा था. I saw you yesterday. He got surprised after opening the gift. गिफ्ट खोलकर वो हैरान हो गया. He got surprised after opening the gift. The result was not as bad as I was expected. रिजल्ट उतना भी खराब नहीं था जितनी मैंने उम्मीद की थी. The result was not as bad as I was expected. While coming back from the office he bought a burger. वो ऑफिस से आते हुए बर्गर लेता आया. While coming back from the office he bought a burger. I got fined of 500 rupees. मेरा 500 का चालान कट गया. I got fined of 500 rupees. Till the time I reached the shop all mobile was sold. जब तक मैं दुकान पर पहुंचा तब तक सारे मोबाइल बिक चुके थे. Till the time I reached the shop all mobile was sold. The sweets were stale so I threw them. मिठाई बासी थी इसलिए मैंने फेंक दी. The sweets were stale so I threw them. They got married last week. उनकी पिछले हफ्ते शादी हो गई. They got married last week. Aman took 50 rupees from me. अमन ने मुझसे 50 रुपए लिए थे. Aman took 50 rupees from me. My grandfather bought bread and eggs in the morning itself. मेरे दादाजी सुबह ही ब्रेड और अंडे ले आए थे. My grandfather bought bread and eggs in the morning itself. I recharged my mobile yesterday itself. मैंने कल ही मोबाइल रिचार्ज कराया. I recharged my mobile yesterday itself.